This is a certified hood classic. Werewolf King Productions.
Wolfie'S game, Werewolf King 2, Wolvez, no slang. What a show with the Donald Dan. What a show, Neo Kyle Land. What a show on TV Land. And no slang. Do new mixtape, Werewolf King 2, Wolvez, and no slang. I wanna put on den. Yeah, no, this my wolf den. Yeah, no, like stand. I was still in that river den. Wolfie'S game A, capital with my slack. Now I know yak. I play with the yak, play my stack. Bet the money, I got a stack. Not your cunning, like a running. Wait, no, it's running in the middle like a dunny. Coming up with your nosebleed. Then I watch you watching curse. Like a yours and they're like search. I was doing like a soul slurs. Coming up with a silver bullet. Watching silver bullet. And I've been like a roller. Coming and call it. We'll get A like a know it. I was the Lord that been like a bullet. We'll get A like a solid. Coming up, getting a snack. I'm gonna still that been like a yak. I was still I've been on a neck. Find myself I've been like a neck. Nick that petty way, give a wolf bone, got one song, got my burner in there tomorrow. Said, come on, I want to get like a solo for a venture my bone. Then I darn it Cleo, put Clifford, and then Cliff on the big red dog. Then it off like Robo Dog, RP's like Robo Dog. There's that no slug, what gang gonna know raw, coming up by no slug. What Bandikoot A coming up, World King Productions, it's got like a rush to start up in my productions, coming up near my sticks, World King A coming up. Werewolf Kings and Wolves in. I get on slang, coming up, I need a no slang. I coming up like slang, we all try to trend. Look like little wolves, he trending up Facebook. Got another name like a rape book. I coming up like a staple. I coming up like a notebook. I get a user like a notebook. I just like, but lost some. I never saw some, then I saw some. Wolfie'S game, hey, get on nozzle. Y'all know like Sylvian. And get a nurse with a cute doggy, like a roggy. Not like no hoggy. I want to be like a talkie, just like Jimmy talkie. I was stood on the net by Mr. McCauley. It was fun ticket talk, done this sock, did a Mr. McCauley from like show a tickety talk. I need no sock, I did get on the rock, on the struck. Hey, you going to my block, just smoke one block, on my struck, I'm doing like a roadblock, I'll make him a roadblock, so I was stroke blocks, every can't back, way no slow block, and then can't a cap up with my track, no slack, I go like yak, I've been stacking money, let your gunny, I wanna go like a gunny, coming up like Gunny, I was stood up, then they Jimmy Target, I was stood up like Mr. McCauley, I was stood like Jimmy Bogan, coming up like Slogan, I was stood up brother by Jimmy Logan, coming up like Slogan. I just my bowl again. I'll go back it again. Like I said, like Jackie Chan. Y'all that saying on the yen. What a show, what's the pick of the brain? Out of yang. And get it stood up, what show like Dinosaur Train. On the show, look on PBS Kids. Coming know like Wolf Kids. Coming know like no sleeves. Coming up as no fear. Or get hey, there's no year. I make money and that's all the stacks. Now I got my Rex on with a short what you kill about the white lion. And then no Stein. What it does about dog that Maya and Sky. I don't even try it. Now it's still I didn't know that I'm Naya. Cabinet I don't Naya. Cabinet's my mixtape Werewolf came to Wolves and I said what show title 10. What Bandikoot.
This is a certified hood classic.